Hi there, welcome to another educational video documenting my Web3 expedition. This is a follow-up video on the last video I did covering the Sol protocol testnet, which you can participate in for free. You will earn seeds. Seeds will determine the size of your Sol airdrop, which is coming soon. I believe it's coming soon because there's currently an uh, ICO event for the SO token, which I'll cover separately. I intend to participate because the allocation is fully unlocked at TGE. I believe the narrative of the project is strong. So, one way, of course, of getting SO is to participate in the ICO. 25% of the supply is going to the sale. The other way, of course, is to participate in testnet to accumulate seeds. Now, do well to recount the previous video leading up to this because it's relevant to this video. The reason is because of faucet. So the faucet that will allow you to interact with this testnet, I've shown how to get access to it in the previous video. Okay, so basically, for you to get access to it, you need to go through the tasks here in order, starting with this one here, because only when this quest is unlocked does it unlock the next quest. And this quest is the one where you will get the faucet. The faucet is a one-time endeavor that will give you all the tokens you need. I think 5 tokens to complete other quests. So if you don't use this or complete this, you will not have the faucets that you require to participate in subsequent tasks. So in this quest, if we complete it, we'll be getting 35 seeds. Okay, at the moment, on the basis of 75 seeds, I'm still ranked lowly at 67,288. There are 300,000 plus users, so we want to upgrade that. So this video is dedicated only to Quest 3. Next video will be to Quest 4. Okay, so here it says lend and borrow cross-chain on Sepolia, Arbitrum, and Optimism. So I'm going to, it's simplified because when you click here, it will give you, exactly the steps. So you see it has expanded this and says access app. So here it says supply any of the available assets on the Arbitrum chain. So let's click access. Now the application, it may struggle to load at your end if your PC is not strong. You just need to keep trying because it's too like intensive, the UI and all that. Okay, so it's not even bringing us to the, let's go back here. So we are supposed to supply any of the available assets on the Arbitrum chain. Okay, Arbitrum. So we are going to be supplying collateral basically. You see, the UI is not so intuitive like that. So these are my positions, not, let's click supply. So you would have to click on supply. Then look for Arbitrum. Okay, so this is Arbitrum Max. Now you have to check this. You have to check this so that it's also provided as collateral. Then 0.1. Let's see if we can add this. Wow. So this was some of the issues I was facing last video. Mm, let me try to reduce the screen size. Wow. Wow. It's not clicking. Let's look for another token. Wow. Oh, it's actually clicking, but oh gosh. Hmm. This is complex. Last video was like this. I spent 27 minutes, trying to figure it out. I mean, what you'll be able to do in when you watch the video, you'll be able to do it in a few minutes. So that's why I do the videos how I do it, document everything, no edits. Okay. So I'm going to refresh this. Okay, so it has to add the Arbitrum testnet network. Hmm. Which we are on. I'm going to refresh this. Wow. I don't know why it keeps. Okay, much better. Okay, so you come back here and verify. I'll just refresh. It may have been verified already. Wow. I've done this already. Supply any of the available assets on the Arbitrum chain. I've done that. Wow. Okay, so it hasn't been done. It's now going. We need. It's actually two transactions. So this is going to complete it. Oh, this is still at approval. So this is what completes it now. Let's assume it has gone through. Okay, so that's completed. Next is supply any of the assets on optimism, add the same asset as collateral, take a borrow on optimism chain. Supply any asset. Okay, so for this one, it's two in one. We will supply and collateralize at the same time. So we'll just manage and finish the video. Complete it. So let's choose network here, optimism. You click supply first, then you change network to optimism. So these are the possible things we can deposit. So we'll choose this. We are checking collateralize at once. Okay, 0.1. Wow. But the button is graded out. Supply cap exceeded. Wow. It says supply cap exceeded. Let's try this. 0.1. Okay, so this is better. 0.01. Wow. Gosh. Okay, so this works. So it's actually three transactions, four in this case. First, we are adding this network. Okay, for the next we are approving to spend this 0.1. Okay, so now we are approving supply. And final one is to approve collateralization. Maybe we've done it already. Hopefully. Okay, so now I'm going to go borrow. And I don't know if it says what it says, take a borrow on the optimism chain, add the same asset as collateral. Okay, so we'll borrow. Let's see if we can borrow this. Says amount too small. Let's borrow this 0.05. Wow. Liquidity exceeded 0.05. Okay. Okay, so I think we've finished everything now. Access, we've done that. Verify. Okay, so access, verify. Bringing us to the end of this video, now 91 seeds. You can go ahead and complete yours. Invite will be in the description. To conclude, visit the description area and exhaust the opportunities there. But as importantly, visit airdropc.com. If you have any to reach me and ask questions, and you can also submit your email here to subscribe to airdrop reminders. I'm working on 100 solid airdrop opportunities. Each will have its own publication tutorial, which will be ready soonest. And I'll be sending it out to subscribers. So submit your email here. Contact me using this contact form, this Telegram, and this Twitter. Subscribe to Web3 Wikis on all socials. Stay awesome, take action.